Hi there, it's George here, and today I have to plant such a plant, kind of grass, and the name I will include in the video. This plant, which I will plant, is not that like that plant from the garden, that growing wild in the garden, but this is like flower pot or stuff like that. It's decorative. I saw a beautiful flower pot with that grass blooming in yellow, but I didn't take any photos, and I harvested the seeds and they are here. Have to plant and see if will germinate. The seeds are fresh and hope they will germinate. The seeds are so small, I have to plant careful. So now we have to see the seeds and planting them. There are a few seeds only. As you can see how tiny seeds are, they look like the cacti seeds, but seeds of that grass. Okay, now I have to sow these seeds, and here we go. And here I have a potting soil. It is a coconut substrate and we have to water it first. I'm gonna use rainwater at the room temperature and I'm gonna no water a lot. I think it's enough. Now we have to sow these seeds. We take them, plant very easy. Well, hope will germinate. Well, now we have to put this pot in a greenhouse effect to keep moist inside, and let's do that. And I'm gonna use this. So we have to put this pot in one place. I'm waiting for germination, and sometimes we have to take care to see if we have to water it or not. And if it will germinate, I will make another video update, so stay tuned on my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit that bell to get notification when I post new videos. You can subscribe to my photography channel, link is in the corner and in description, and have an amazing day. Bye bye, see you next time.